Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happiness today. Abbakyari, the super cop of the Nigerian police force in Nigeria, have been trending for more than 72 hours now over a lot of things he has done. Some coming from United States, that's Hush Puppy Saga, and then the new allegation of what he has done in recent times, of which NDLEA is on hot pursuit of what he has done. But the southeastern youth leaders have decided not to let this matter lie low, having also felt the venom of Abbakyari in his days when he came down to Southeast, and this is what they have to say concerning Abbakyari. In fact, they're also asking for their own due share, due share, in the sense that they have gone through a lot in the hands of Abbakyari. Well, before we go to the newspaper, I would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Very quickly, let's hit the news running. The Coalition of Southeast Youth Leaders, that's COSEYL, Coalition of Southeast Youth Leaders, that's the full meaning, has alleged that the embattled Deputy Commissioner of Police, Abba Kyari, had brought down several innocent youths in the region while he was serving as the commander of the IGP response team in Imo State. In a statement issued by its President General, that's President General PG, Goodluck Ibem, the coalition, which is an umbrella body of all the youth groups in the Southeast geopolitical zone, said Nigerians had ignored the outcry of the Southeastern youth on alleged extrajudicial bringing down by the police. The COSEYL, that's COSEL, while lauding the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency (NDLEA) under the leadership of Brigadier General Buba, retired, for uncovering the alleged criminal activities of Abbakyari in Southeast, said the youth in the region have been vindicated. Well, recall that Abbakyari was arrested by the Nigerian police on Monday after he was declared wanted by NDLEA over alleged drug trafficking. Ibem said, "Before now, we had raised the alarm that DCP Abbakyari was extrajudicially bringing down innocent Nigerian youth, but the authority didn't believe them. However, the credible intelligence conducted by NDLEA that led to his arrest has vindicated us, the Southeast youth." The coalition demanded that the federal government extradite Kyari to the United States of America after a probe by NDLEA to enable him face the allegations of ties with the international fraudster Ramon Olorunwa Abbas, popularly known as Hush Puppy. COSEL also demanded that the damages by Abbakyari in the region should be given considerable attention by relevant authorities. We call on the Police Service Commission (PSC) and other relevant authorities saddled with the responsibilities of dealing with erring police officers to probe all extrajudicial bringing down by Abbakyari and other crimes he may have committed in the course of his service in Nigeria and other parts of the country. When Abbakyari was deployed to Imo State to lead the IGP response team, he was very busy bringing down innocent youths for gallantry and using the media to gain cheap popularity and posing as a hero, which he is not. He has just proved to Nigerians that all this while he was living a deceitful life and deceiving the general public. The so-called gallantry service he made us to believe was just to distract Nigerians from knowing his real person, the statement added. In some quarters, some Nigerians are actually demanding that the House of Rep, the Senate, the NAS, that's the National Assembly, should withdraw the special awards that they have given to Kyari, that those awards are for prestigious people for meritorious service. Because I think they gave it to him during his services, saying it was meritorious, he was meticulous, meritorious, he was a super duper cop, and they gave him some of those awards in recognition of active service. But right now, some Nigerians are even calling the likes of already calling for that word to be retrieved and withdrawn. That such a criminal, alleged criminal, because he has not been declared criminal yet or to proven so. So you only use the word alleged. Because right now there's so many indication that financially all the money is traceable to his account. There's none traceable to his account that is fraudulent for the now. Just that instead was actually his brother that some huge sums of money which he cannot explain how he got them from is seen. So that means that if you want to go through financial means, Kyari may be seen as being vindicated. So, but of course, these guys in security agencies, they know how to go about it. I'm sure if he is indicted, there's a way they will go about it. If he's truly free, then Kyari will be free indeed. But for the now, evidences are piling up against him. Right now, the youth are also the southeastern youth are saying, look, they are being vindicated, and what the share they want in this whole affair is that the PSC, that's the Police Service Commission, should do the needful, and that the innocent people that according to them Abbakyari have brought down in Southeast should be vindicated. They should that while he was doing it, they say he was doing it, he was being called a super cop, but right now that it has been seen that he was actually he was doing a lot of deceitful activities, which is criminal, and they're asking for justice. They're asking that proper due process should be taken, and Kyari should be extradited. In fact, in all the summary of what they are saying, they want Kyari to face the music between what he had with Hush Puppy as well. But a lot of Nigerians have decided to react to this. We're going to take cross section very quickly. Some of them are quite strong. So here says, so all those who brought down innocent Igbo youth will meet their disgraceful and brutal ending soon. Some people are shouting amen to that. Somebody here is saying, no peace for the wicked. I tell you, I say amen. This one here is saying it's same Southeast youth that led the Super Cup to a Road Cup. So Abbakyari is their partner in crime. This one here is saying, I'm just thinking, how would it be if Evans and Abbakyari should find themselves in the same correctional center? It will surely be a blockbuster. It should surely be a blockbuster movie. I don't know. This one here is saying, it's normal when I heard from Ifa. Okay, I heard from Ifa that Ipob worldwide is waiting for Abbakyari in USA. Even in the prisons in USA, Abbakyari will meet a situation that even the devil can protect him. What is one trying to say? Okay, he said, so and say he heard from Ifa also means it's actually a joking. This one here is saying, now crimes no tribe to you, right? The most important thing is that Nnamdi Kanu predicted an unevitable sad end for this corrupt cop way ahead of this time, and it has come to pass. He will soon join Kanu in DSS dungeon, not as a prisoner of conscience, but as a disgraced policeman. That's where we're going to wrap it up. Let's meet in our comment section. What's your take on this?